Today, I'm going to show you how to install the PPSSPP emulator on your iOS device so that you can play your favorite PSP games on your iPhone and your iPads. Now, simply start by opening your App Store and go ahead and search for PPSSPP. Once you search for this, you're going to see the app. Just install the app to your device and then open the app for the first time. Once you open the app for the first time, it's going to create a PSP folder. Now you have to check and make sure that it have actually created that folder. To do that, simply go to your file manager. Normally it's going to open up like this. Click on my iPhone. Once you click on it, you are going to see the PPSSPP folder. So if you go in here, you see that there are different folders in here that is actually going to make it to work. Now the next thing we actually need our game file. So I'm going to be locating my PSP game files. You can see I have some few games in here. So all you have to do, just tap on any of that game and then extract the game. So you can see that there is an uncompressed icon here. So I'm going to click on uncompress. Once I click on it, you can see to start uncompressing my game. So it's just that easy. Now you can see that the main game file is ready. So I will hold down on the main game file and then I'll click on move. Once I click on move, I'll simply take it to my PSP folder. So let me do it from the beginning. So I'll click on my iPhone, PPSSPP, PSP, game, then I'll move it in there. Now, once I've done this, I can go ahead and open my emulator once more. Once I open my emulator, I'll click on PSP, game, and now you can see that the game is in here and is ready to play. Now you are going to be needing some settings to give you the best performance and FPS when playing on your iPhone or on your iPad. Now I'm going to recommend a dedicated video that is going to give you the best settings at the end of this video. So do make sure to stick to the end so you can actually access that. Now let's give this game a try and see how it goes. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now. It have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can also go ahead and watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.